cat sailing on a broken tide, solo heart with the sea as its guide. Yellow sail flaps like a wild bird's wing, thetis hums as the ocean sings.
2:40 in the morning. Seconds to a stormy fate. Clock hands spin, but it's too late. Sky splits open like a jagged scar. Thetis whispers, you've come this far.